The crew list in Yamdu is designed to make it easy to see the departments and people working within those departments. Here we can see the list of all users and positions organized under their respective department. And we can actually edit the information here and reorder them, add users, external contacts, and open positions. Then we can save to keep those organizational changes. We can also work with user groups, so we can add additional groups that may not be part of a department, or we can edit the information within the crew list. For example, we can move departments around, so if we want casting to come after directors, we can simply do so by dragging and dropping. Next, we can edit the groups themselves and add additional users. In the general information field, we'll have control over whether or not the group will be displayed on the crew list, and of course, the name of the department. In addition to user groups are units, and we can see that we already have a first unit. But if we're working on multiple shoots and need additional units, all we have to do is create one. So let's create a second unit and select the users that need to be involved. We can actually add external contacts to units as well. Now we have the first and second units. And this is important because when we go to the shooting schedule, we'll be able to assign a unit to a specific shoot. Here we can see that there are two phases in this shooting schedule. Both are currently assigned to Unit 1. But we can simply change this and assign the second unit for the first shooting phase. So, the first unit can still take care of Phase 2, but the second unit will be responsible for the shooting of Phase 1. And that was a look at working with user groups and units in Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials.